In this video, I want to show you how to AirPrint using your Brother HL-L2465DW printer and an iPad, could be an iPhone or even a Mac computer. So to make this AirPrint feature work, we need first of all to connect the Brother printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple device. So let me show you on the control panel over here how this is done. You're going to press once on the menu button, and you're going to press on this button right over here, the minus button with an arrow. Press it a few times until you see network on the display. Then press OK to confirm. Select number 1, WLN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Press OK again to find your Wi-Fi network. You're going to press once on this top arrow button, and you're going to wait a few seconds. The printer is now scanning for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are located around you. Here is the first one. If this is not your Wi-Fi network, press the minus button over here and you'll be able to shuffle through all the different networks that the printer has found. Once you see your Wi-Fi network, you're going to press OK. And now it's time to type the password. Unfortunately, this printer doesn't have a keyboard. So how is it done? Well, it may take a few minutes, but you need to use these up and down buttons. So if I press on it, you're going to see I'll be able to select any letters, lowercase letters, and then if I continue, it will switch to uppercase, capital letters. And if you continue, you may also get these symbols if your Wi-Fi password has symbols. So I'll go ahead and type mine. Every time you want to select something, press OK. It will register and it will go to the second letter or number of your password. All right, I have finished typing my password, and now I simply have to press once more on OK to register my password. You're going to press once on the top arrow over here simply to select yes, and now you're going to wait. Next step is to take your Apple device. I'll show you on an iPad. It's the same thing on an iPhone. On a Mac computer, it's slightly different. I'll make a separate video. So just search for Brother HL-L2465DW Mac setup if you're interested in that. So over here on an iPad or iPhone, you're going to open the document you want to print, or you can open a web page. So let's say I want to print this web page. So no matter if you want to print a picture, a web page, a PDF file, you need to find this icon, which is a square with an arrow pointing up. Sometimes it will be located down below on your screen. So once you tap on it, you will see down below 3 dots where it says more. You may see print available, but if you don't see it, you need to click on more. You will see the print icon. So click on print. Select your printer by going on the top section and selecting Brother HL-L2465DW. And now you have a few different options. So how many copies do you want? Do you want to print a certain page or maybe only a few of them? Do you want to print on double side? Let's say I want to print on double side. So I'll select page 1 and 2. So it will be combined on one page. The paper size, the media quality over here, you can select instead of normal best if you want the best image, best print quality. And this is about it. Press the blueprint button, and just like that, the printer will print whatever you have chosen. And here we go. This is the result. Now, unfortunately, AirPrint is only available for the printing function. If you want to use the scanner and get the results on your Apple device, you cannot use AirPrint. There is other methods, and again, I have made separate videos showing you how this is done. You need to download the Brother Mobile Connect app. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one.